Hello everybody, it's Katie. So today's video is going to be very exciting. If you haven't seen from the title or my Instagram posts or anything I've mentioned in previous videos, I am studying abroad in Europe for a summer. I am going at the end of May and then going until the beginning of July, so it's kind of like a little over a month, and I'm really excited. We're going to be going to tons of different countries and cities, and I'll list the ones that we're going down below. Some of them are structured and then some of them are free travel, and I hope to do a travel abroad experience video when I get back from Europe. So today I wanted to do a pack with me video. I want to show you what I'm packing, what not to bring, what to bring, the important things that you might need in case of an emergency, and just kind of go through that with you guys. So let's jump right in. Since I will not be in one place for very long, the most I'm staying in one place is 2 weeks, I want to pack light and I want to carry less things. So I have two things that I'm actually carrying. The first thing is a suitcase, of course. This is my brand new suitcase. It's a hardcover shell. It's from the brand Delsley, and we got this at Costco, and it's red so it stands out so I can see if it's coming down the conveyor belt from checking it, or if we put it on a rack on a train or something, so I can just see it and keep an eye on it. It also has 4 wheels, which will be really easy, and it's pretty light, so I won't have a hard time carrying it. So when you're going abroad, you're going to be carrying all of your stuff. No one's going to be carrying it for you. So Europe doesn't really have elevators and stuff, so I'm going to need to carry this up flights of stairs. So it's a good idea to have something that's pretty light. The second thing is a backpack. This is my school backpack. It's Adidas. I'm just using it. It has 2 cup holders, couple pockets. So it's really nice. So I'm bringing this. We also stopped at REI to grab some stuff. So the first thing are these converters, and you're going to definitely want converters. I'm only bringing this big converter, so I'm not bringing any of the other ones just because I don't need them because I'm not going to those places. But I'm just bringing the big ones, so definitely get converters. The next thing is a cable lock and then a luggage lock. So this is going to lock my luggage just up at the top here. And then this is going to lock my luggage to beds when I'm staying at hostels, just because I really don't want my luggage to get stolen, even though it may or may not happen. You just got to be safe. So if you're staying in hostels, definitely get one of these. Also, when I'm staying in hostels, I will use this thing called a mummy liner. It's kind of like a long sheet, and it goes above and below you, just so you're not touching any of the hostel beds, just in case there's anything gross. And it goes all the way up to your head, which is really nice. So even with a pillow, I can still use this and not have to worry about anything like that. They also recommended that you bring a multi-purpose travel towel, so I'm bringing just this travel towel, and it's really easy to pack, and it comes with this little bag thing, so I can just shove this in here, and it's very easy. My grandma also picked up packing cubes for me, and you definitely should use these. So basically, you put your stuff in here, zip it up, and it compresses it, so it saves so much more room, and you can just organize your clothes or organize anything you need in here, and it's very useful, so I cannot wait to use these. Okay, now we're going to talk about shoes really quickly, and I'm bringing 3 pairs of shoes. Only 3. You only need 3. You probably only need 2, but I need 3. So the first pair is my sneakers, because we're going to be walking a lot. I'm probably going to want my sneakers. That's pretty simple. The next is a pair of flip-flops. You're going to want these if you're going to the beach or if you're going to shower in hostels and stuff. I heard you wouldn't bring like shower shoes, so these are shower shoes for me. And then the second pair that I'm bringing, and the last pair, are these new sandals that I got. These are made in Spain. They're Andre Eso something, but they fit perfectly, and they're so cute. I got these for my birthday, and these are just really simple. They're padded. They have a strap on the back so they won't fall off, and they won't rub against me and give me blisters. So these are really nice because we do have business events where we have to go and dress professional. So these are going to be my professional shoes, and don't wear heels to Europe because you will have to walk on cobblestone and all that stuff, and that's just too much work. Now that we moved on from heels, we're going to talk about clothes, and you want to pack lightly on clothes because we will have a chance to do our laundry and stuff. I really want to pack things that go with each other just so I can mix and match, and so I'm not wearing the complete exact outfit that I wore before, but I am wearing something similar to it. The first is this dress, and I'll probably just wear this on a casual day too. This is from Charlotte Russe. It's just a t-shirt dress. I'm also bringing another t-shirt dress, which is a striped flowy t-shirt dress. nothing fancy. And this is really lightweight too. I'm bringing a skirt just for fun because it's cute. Has this in the back. And then I'm bringing a skirt. This is from Forever 21. It's pretty loose. It's pretty comfortable. And I can pair it with a lot of things, black or white or black or white. Then in terms of shirts, I'm bringing this tank top. This is a really crappy tank top from Target. This is for the beach because we're planning on going to the beach. So I'm just bringing that for that reason. Then I have two tank tops. This is a black one, navy blue one. And then I have this purple crop top. And then I have this other crop top. This is from Aeropostale. Just like a simple flowy crop top. Then I have a gray Aeropostale t-shirt. And then I just have a plain white t-shirt. And that is pretty much all I'm bringing in terms of shirts because, one, I can usually wear the tank tops more than once. And so that means I have two tank tops. I might bring more shirts, but I really don't want to overpack because I will be able to do laundry once a week pretty much. Then in terms of pants, I have a couple pairs of pants. So the first one are these olive green pants. The second one are these fun little blue pants with the fun little detail on the bottom. And then the third one is just jean shorts, simple high-waisted jean shorts. And then I have two pairs of athletic shorts, just for any reason at all. I have two pairs of athletic shorts, so that will come in handy. And then I also have one pair of leggings. I'm not bringing any jeans, any sweatpants, anything like that. So I'm just bringing one pair of leggings because I don't think it's going to get that cold. So I don't want to have to pack other stuff because it's pretty bulky. Alright, so now we're going to get into the miscellaneous stuff. So the first thing is electronics. I'm bringing my laptop charger without the extension cord to it. I'm bringing a phone charger. I'm bringing a portable charger, the charger to my portable charger, and a flash drive, and my laptop, and that is it for electronics. I'm not bringing iPads, more cords or whatever, nothing like that. And then I have my little emergency kit. Now this kit I have put in a Tupperware just to save space so it's condensed, so it's not flying everywhere. Basically in here I have everything I could possibly need. Pepto-Bismol pills, ibuprofen, Advil, Excedrin, Dramamine just for motion sickness. I have Benadryl pills in case I get an allergic reaction to something because that happens. I have tissues, pills that I have to take every day. I have so many Band-Aids, crap ton of cough drops, a new razor blade just in case I need it, and nail clippers, couldn't remember the name. So this bin is pretty much my in case of emergency bin. This is all them. I don't know what kind of medicine they have in Europe, so I want to be really sure to bring everything that I need in case I get motion sick, stomach sick, headaches, dizziness, anything like that. If I get an allergic reaction to something, I just want to be completely prepared because I don't want to have to deal with not being prepared. So I have this in a little Tupperware, and this is just going to go in my suitcase. It's all compressed. I took out all the boxes for everything, so just compressing this little thing. Okay, and the last thing I wanted to show you is this Radiance Spin Care System set. And this thing is going to be amazing. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to show you guys what everything comes in first. Actually, I'll open it with you. So this is from the brand Duval, and this is going to be a lifesaver in Europe. So I don't have to bring a washcloth with me because if I bring a washcloth with me, it will just I have to dry, and that's just a pain to carry around and stuff. So this is going to be really great, and it's going to help my face a lot. So this spin care set comes with 4 different things. So it comes with this little wand thingy, and then it's battery powered, so you just turn it on or off. It comes with a body cleansing brush, so that's the big thing. A facial cleansing brush, which is one of these. And it also comes with an exfoliating one. So there's these. And then it comes with a pumice stone. So this is for like your feet and stuff like that to make them all soft and smooth. So you just basically attach this and then it kind of goes like that and then you just use it. So this is going to be really helpful, and it's small and easy to pack. So I'm going to be bringing both the facial exfoliating and the facial cleansing brush because they're both really small. So I cannot wait to try this out. I had one of these last time, but the company I used, it wasn't great and it got kind of gross. So I'm really excited to try this new one. They gave me a 70% off code for this entire system. It's Glamour and it's $95 originally, but you get it for like $28, which is an amazing deal. And this is really going to help keep my face acne clear and just help my face, which sounds kind of weird, but it's going to help my skin while I'm over in Europe. So in terms of a few other things that I'm probably forgetting to show you, that's the bulk and the most important stuff that I am bringing to Europe that I just wanted to show you. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you want to follow my experience through Europe, I will be posting so much on my Instagram, InfiniteBeauty7. So thank you for watching again, and I'll see you later. Bye.